Hello, myself Anuj Vishwakarma. Today we are going to configure Active Directory domain services in Windows Server 2022. Let's start. It's my fresh domain environment, virtual machine. Let's log in here. My good password. Okay. Server manager. I'm opening. You can see here. You can't find Active Directory domain service. Let's go to install the feature. Add rules and features. Clicking on it. Here you can see the role-based feature installation. It's my server and IP address name, host name. You can see here Active Directory domain services. Just I'm going to add this feature. By default, next. It's taking approximately 1 or 2 minutes depending on your computer speed. Actually, this is my virtual environment, so I think it will be going on like done 1 or 2 minutes within timeline. I'm waiting. So after this installation, this Active Directory domain services, I am going to promote this as a domain controller to this server. I am going to promote this as a domain controller. Okay, great. So I am going to promote this as a domain controller. So there is 3 options here, like add domain controller to an existing domain. Suppose you have any domain like yahoo.com, google.com, you can add this. If suppose any organization, anyone, and like suppose you have any forest, so you can add this on like normally. And second one is add a new forest. In a forest we can add multiple domains. So this is my new environment. I'm going to add it in a forest. Just part.it. It's my domain name. You can type anything as per organization requirement. Actually this is my testing lab, so just I am doing it for your learning purpose. Yeah, it's installed. Actually you can see here forest function level. So actually why it's in 2016 Windows Server. Actually after 2016 there is no update from Microsoft for Active Directory domain service. Actually this is the latest one. And type your DSRM password, directory restore services password. Suppose if your server is like something happened, not working, so typing anything. You can also reset this password through NTDS routine management. Clicking on next. Here is my NetBIOS name. I'm waiting. It's by default installed. Waiting. Yeah, it's done. You can see here where is my database and sysvol. Here is everything: global catalog, DNS, and path. So just I'm waiting to verify my domain and installing the script to promote this server as a domain controller. I'm waiting. It's taking too much time for the installation of roles. Actually this is a new domain involved, that's why it's taking time. Yeah, find its skills. You can see here, I'll check fast. Normally I'm just clicking on installation. It's installing the root in my computer. I'm waiting for the installation. I'm waiting for the moment when it's finally installed.